Top 5 World Best Automotive Car Manufacturing. The top 5 best automotive car manufacturing companies in the world are determined by a combination of factors including global sales, innovation, reliability, brand value, and technological leadership. As of 2025, these 5 automakers stand out for their excellence. 1. Toyota Motor Corporation Japan. Why it's the best? World's largest automaker by volume. Known for reliability, fuel efficiency, and hybrid innovation, e.g. Prius. Strong presence across all segments: economy, luxury Lexus, and hybrids EVs. Massive global production network and high resale value. 2. Volkswagen Group Germany. Brands: Volkswagen, Audi, Porsche, Lamborghini, Bentley, Bugatti, Skoda, Seat. Why it's among the best? Second largest automaker globally. Broad portfolio from affordable to ultra-luxury. Leader in electric vehicle transformation, e.g. VW ID series, Porsche Taycan. Strong engineering and German build quality. 3. Tesla Inc. USA. Why it's leading the industry, dominates the global EV market. Advanced self-driving technology, autopilot, FSD. Strong brand loyalty and cutting-edge battery technology. Software-focused innovation sets it apart from traditional automakers. 4. Mercedes-Benz Group AG Germany. Why it's iconic, synonymous with luxury, comfort, and engineering. Pioneered many safety and tech features, e.g. ABS, pre-safe. Strong EV growth with EQ series, e.g. EQS, EQE. High brand value and strong global presence. 5. BMW Group Germany. Brands: BMW, Mini, Rolls-Royce. Why it's world-class, known for performance, luxury, and ultimate driving machine experience. High-tech interiors and precision engineering. Strong in both ICE and EV markets, e.g. i4, 9. Rolls-Royce remains a symbol of ultra-luxury under BMW ownership. List 10 most expensive car in 2025. As of 2025, the world's most expensive cars are extraordinary feats of design, engineering, and exclusivity. These vehicles are often produced in extremely limited numbers or as one-off commissions, making them coveted by collectors and enthusiasts alike. Here are the top 10 most expensive cars in the world in 2025. 1. Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Drop Tail, 30 million. This bespoke 2-seat roadster is inspired by the black Baccarat Rose. Limited to just 4 units, it features intricate parquetry with 1,603 pieces of black sycamore veneer and a bespoke color named True Love that changes hue under different lighting conditions. 2. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, 28 million. Drawing inspiration from 1920s and 1930s yachts, the boat tail features a butterfly-shaped deck that reveals a hosting suite with a parasol and rotating cocktail tables. It also includes 2-sided timepieces crafted in partnership with Bovet 1822. 3. Bugatti La Voiture Noire, 18.7 million. A one-off hypercar paying tribute to Bugatti's storied past. It boasts a quad-turbo W16 engine producing 1,479 horsepower. Its sleek, all-black carbon fiber body and advanced aerodynamics make it both powerful and mesmerizing. 4. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, 17.5 million. With only 3 units ever produced, this open-top beauty features a 7.3-liter V12 engine and a unique design with partially covered rear wheels and an ultra-lightweight carbon titanium body. 5. SP Automotive Chaos, 14.4 million. Dubbed the world's first ultracar, the Chaos offers up to 3,065 horsepower and a top speed exceeding 310 miles per hour. Its cutting-edge design and performance place it among the most exclusive vehicles. 6 Rolls-Royce Sweptail, 13 million. Commissioned by a private buyer, the Sweptail draws inspiration from luxury yachts and classic Rolls-Royce models. Its panoramic glass roof and handcrafted interior make it a unique luxury vehicle. 7 Bugatti Centodieci, 9 million. Limited to 10 units, the Centodieci pays homage to the Bugatti EB110. It features a quad-turbo W16 engine with 1,600 horsepower, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds. 8 Mercedes Maybach Exelero, 8 million. A one-of-a-kind vehicle built in 2004, the Exelero combines luxury and performance with a twin-turbo V12 engine producing 690 horsepower and a top speed of 218 miles per hour. 9. Pagani Huayra Codalunga, 7.4 million. Limited to 5 units, the Codalunga features a long-tail design and a 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine. Its minimalist design and lightweight construction emphasize performance and exclusivity. 10 Bugatti Divo, 5.8 million. The Divo is a track-focused hypercar with a quad-turbo W16 engine producing 1,479 horsepower. Its aerodynamic enhancements and lightweight design make it more agile than the Chiron.